So in this video we're just harvesting a few sweet potatoes, sort of called in the dogs, try and help us dig them out. They weren't too bad to help us today actually. But yeah, we weren't planning on harvesting the entire sweet potato patch because obviously, as you can see, quite big, but just to get a few out for now, and we'll probably just chip away at it. So being underground is pretty good storage, so probably leave what we can in the ground and harvest what we need to for eating and to give to friends and family. As you can see, my dogs loved helping us dig out the sweet potato. I have to say, the sweet potato is like one of the easiest things you could possibly grow. If you wanted a ground cover, it's perfect for that. You get the odd flower here and there. It's quite a pretty leaf. You can actually get a nice deep purple leafed sweet potato as well, which I've just managed to source some of, so next year I want to mix the purple and green leaf together. But yeah, I think it's quite pretty. It suits the tropical food forest, and you know, I haven't had to do anything to this and it's grown like crazy. So, you know, no fertilizers or anything else. It's producing food. And the reason I first initially started growing it was to protect the ground from the Perth summers, 40+ degree Celsius days. So it's essentially working for me, covering the ground, protecting the soil from too much heat, you know, protecting the plant roots almost like a living mulch, and plus we get to harvest from it. So I think it's an easy crop to grow that benefits you and the plants. So I really encourage you to try growing this one. harvest, so obviously we haven't even scratched the surface of what's probably out amongst all of this vine, but that's all we really needed to harvest for today. So that's all we got, but we got a decent amount just from, you know, the two little spots that we were checking in. So yeah, pretty happy with the harvest, and I think the dogs will be excited to do the next harvest. Anyway, take it easy, and I hope you enjoyed the video.